Windows 11 taskbar frozen or unresponsive. Your start button does nothing, and the clock is stuck. Here is how to fix it, step by step.
When the taskbar freezes, you usually see no error message at all. The Start button, the search icon, and the system tray simply stop responding. For proof, open Event Viewer and check the application logs for Event 1000 or 2002, which point to Explorer or StartMenuExperienceHost. Work through the fixes in order, from the easiest to the most advanced.
Start with the easiest fix. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the Processes tab, right-click it, and choose Restart. The taskbar disappears for a moment, then comes back. This fixes most cases in under a minute.
If the Start menu is the problem, end its host process. In Task Manager, open the Details tab, find StartMenuExperienceHost.exe, right-click it, and choose End Task. Windows restarts it automatically. Test the Start menu again.
If that is not enough, restart your computer. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete. Click the power icon in the bottom right corner and choose Restart. If the screen is frozen, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a shutdown.
Check the auto hide setting. Open Settings with Windows and I. Go to Personalization, then Taskbar, and open Taskbar Behaviors. If automatically hide the taskbar is on and the taskbar misbehaves, turn it off. Rapid Windows key presses with auto hide on can crash the shell.
If the problem started after an update, install the latest fix. Open Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. If optional updates appear, open View Optional Updates and install the relevant fix. The May 2026 update fixed taskbar freezes after sign in, and later updates resolved the XAML bug.
If a recent update broke the taskbar, uninstall it. Open Settings, then Windows Update, then Update History, and click Uninstall Updates. Find the most recent cumulative update by its KB number and install date, and click Uninstall. You can also run wusa uninstall/KB your number. Restart afterwards.
Prepare your system files. Open Terminal as administrator, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Wait for the verification to reach 100%. If it finds and repairs files, restart your PC.
If sfc finds corruption it cannot fix, run DISM first. In the same admin terminal, run DISM online cleanup image RestoreHealth. Wait for 100%, then run sfc again. This repairs the system image itself.
Register the shell packages, open Task Manager, click File, then run New Task, type PowerShell, and tick Create this task with administrative privileges. Run the Get App X Package command for Shell Experience Host and StartMenuExperienceHost. Host. The commands run silently, so just restart afterwards.
For the 24H2 XAML bug, Microsoft provides an official workaround. In an admin PowerShell, register 3 packages: Client CBS, UI XAML CBS, and Client Core from the System Apps folder. Then open Task Manager, go to Details, and end the process Shell Infrastructure Host, SiHost. Windows restarts it automatically.
Update or roll back your graphics driver. Press Windows and X, open Device Manager, and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and choose Update Driver. If the problem started after a driver update, open Properties, the Driver tab, and click Rollback Driver.
Find conflicting software with a clean boot. Press Windows and R, type msconfig, and press Enter. In the Services tab, tick Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Open the Startup tab and disable every startup item. Restart and test. Re-enable items in small batches to find the culprit.
Boot into safe mode to diagnose. Open Settings, then System, then Recovery, and under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. On the blue screen, choose Troubleshoot,
Advanced Options, Startup Settings, then Restart, and press 4 for Safe Mode. If the taskbar works there, a third-party app or driver is the cause.
Restore your system to a working point. Press Windows and R, type RSTRE, and press Enter. Choose a restore point from before the problem started, and tick Show More Restore Points if needed. Click Next, then Finish, and confirm. System restore cannot be interrupted once started, and your personal files stay safe.
Test for a corrupted user profile. Open Settings, then Accounts, then Family and Other Users, and click Add Account. Choose I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then add a user without a Microsoft account. Create the account, sign into it, and check the taskbar. If it works there, your old profile is damaged.
Reset the Start menu state. Open File Explorer and go to App Data, Local, Packages, Microsoft Windows StartMenuExperienceHost. Rename the LocalState folder to localstate.old. Sign out and back in. Windows generates a fresh Start menu state.
Clear the IrisService cache? This service delivers Bing wallpapers and suggestions, and a corrupted cache can crash the Start menu. Open Terminal as administrator, and run the reg delete command for the IrisService key, then restart your PC. If you see an error saying the key was not found, that is harmless.
The most thorough repair is an in-place upgrade. Download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft, right-click it and choose Mount. Run setup.exe, accept the license, and on Choose What to Keep, make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected. The PC restarts a few times, and system components get repaired.
As a last resort, reset Windows. Open Settings, then System, then Recovery, and click Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files to keep your documents. For a full clean install, create a bootable USB with the Media Creation tool. Back up your files first because apps will be removed.
So why does this happen? The taskbar, Start menu, and desktop are all hosted by Explorer, so when Explorer crashes or hangs, they all freeze. The usual triggers are a bad Windows update, corrupted system files, third-party shell tools like Explorer Patcher or Start All Back, graphics drivers, and the sleep and lock cycle.
A few notes. Microsoft's XAML bug mainly affects enterprise PCs, so home users are rarely hit. Windows 11 24H2 Home and Pro reach end of support on October 13th, 2026, so update to 25H2. And remember, KB numbers change every month, so look for the newest fix by install date.
Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. And tell us in the comments which fix worked for you.